So you open Shopify to start your store. You are full of dreams, hope, and confusion. So many themes, and you have exactly zero idea where to start. But don't worry, today I am showing you the best free Shopify themes for beginners. They are stylish, fast, and won't cost a single penny. Let's go. Matters. Why a good theme matters. Your theme is like the outfit of your store. You don't show up to a job interview in SpongeBob pajamas. Same thing here. So, first is Dawn theme. Dawn is Shopify's go-to default theme. It's clean, flexible, and kinda like that white t-shirt that magically looks good on everyone. Simple layout, fast loading, works for almost any niche. You can't go wrong with Dawn unless you use Comic Sans. Then we need to talk. Next is Craft. Craft is perfect if you are selling handmade stuff like candles, mugs, or emotional sport keychains. Great for storytelling, beautiful image looks. It screams, I made this with love and probably burnt myself with a glue gun. Next, Refresh. Bold, clean, and modern. Refresh is like your store hit the gym and now it's flexing on the homepage. Strong product display, great for health and beauty. This theme has more six packs than my fridge. Next, Sense. Want your store to look like it drinks matcha and does yoga at 6 a.m. Sense is your theme. Calming colors, clean layout, perfect for wellness and skincare. Using Sense might not bring inner peace, but it will bring more clicks. Next, Studio. For the artists, creators, and people who say aesthetic unironically. Studios got that fun, artsy look. Quirky style, great for creatives. It's the theme that probably has a vinyl collection and drinks oat milk. Next is Horizon. Let's talk about Horizon, Shopify's new free theme, and it's kind of a banger. Great for electronics, horizontal scrolling, mobile optimized, product focused layout. Your products glide across the screen like they are on the fashion runway. Fancy. Then, Heritage. Selling stuff with a vintage or classic vibe. Heritage has that grandpa's whiskey ad feel in a good way. Timeless look, great for traditional brands or long form storytelling. This theme so classy it probably calls you late or miss before showing you the cart. Next, Savor. Savor is made for food stores, bakeries, and anything that makes you say out loud. Clean food focused layout, perfect for restaurants or food brands. This theme is so delicious you will want to eat your website. Please don't. Next, Atelier. Atelier, fancy name, right? Is perfect if you want your store to look like a fashion magazine. High-end design, great for apparel or luxury brands. It's like the Gucci of free themes, but without the Gucci price. Next, Vessel. Vessel is made for brands that want a bold, edgy vibe. Think streetwear, tech, or brands with attitude. Strong visuals, bold fonts, and layout great for lifestyle products. This theme says, I sell cool stuff and I know it. There you go, 10 awesome free Shopify themes that will make your store look clean, professional, and way more expensive than it is. Hit that like button if your wallet said thank you during this video. Subscribe for more tips or don't. But if your store ends up looking ugly, don't blame me.